Hi, my name is Alessandro Gangelosi and that's a new tip tutorial coming from cgcookie.com for MaxCookie. This time I'd like to talk about something around the material libraries and the material browser. In the previous version, in the 3ds Max 2010, we had the old material browser. So you remember that we had the possibility, for example, to enter inside the material browser, this one, and there was no problem to save, for example, and to open the material libraries. So we can go there inside the browse from, and we have the possibility to open, merge, or save as the actual library. So actually we have no material, but you know that, for example, we can create a material like that, and there we can put something, for example, this one, and now we can call it test shader. And when we go there inside the material library, we have the possibility to for example, select the material editor, and or you see we have also the possibility to assign this shader, this material, to mesh. So there we can make the selection there, and we can save as the library using a name in the MAT file format. In 3ds Max 2011, the stuffs are different because we have the new material editor, the Slate material editor, but we have the new material browser. So let's go there. Let's call the material map browser. So we have this new version, and this new version is maybe better for a lot of things, but we have the problem that there we have the possibility just to open or to create a new material library. So you see we can create a new material library, or we can open a material library, but there's no way to save the material library from there. So let's think, for example, that we have a material library. So let's maybe open it using a scene, and we can go, for example, inside a folder where we have some 3ds Max scene. Inside the folder we can change the file types from MAT, and we can split and we can choose the max file. So let's open the last tutorial I prepared for cgcookie. We can say open, and you see that now we have let's make more space there. Now we have the possibility to have this library. You see that there we have the lib name and the name for the max file we open, and we have there the material inside the scene. So that's a library, and now we have the possibility to save this library. So we can click with the mouse, with the right mouse button, and you see that we have the possibility to go there on the name of the file, and we have the possibility to reload or to save as, and then we can choose again the MAT file format and the file folder where we like to put the material library. The same thing is if we like to create a material library. So we can go there, new material library, and let's call it test library. Okay, let's close this one, and you see that there we have the material library, and we can for example put this material there. So you see we have this material, and then we can copy, for example, this one and this one. So we have a library made of material just using the material map browser. And then the same thing, I can select the test library using the right mouse button, and we can go there inside the name that is the default name for the moment, and we can say save as, and we can save it where we like on our workstation, and we can use the MAT file format. So that's the simplest way to save the libraries inside the new material map browser in 3ds Max 2011. So that's just a really fast tip to understand how the material map browser changed before with the new version and the old version, and how to find the old commands inside the new user interface and the new feature set. So for the moment that's all, and I hope to see you back on Max Cookie for check for new tutorial coming from cgcookie.com. Bye.